Hey, how you doing? Let me turn this down. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another set of radios from Jeff. Jeff's radio collection has really expanded. I think he's got more radios than me now, and I have over 400. And this is one of them. This is a nice radio. We're going to show it to you. Let me get this out of the way so we can bring this closer. And this is a Magnavox model D-135. It's AM, FM, and shortwave. And what Jeff doesn't have in his notes, it's also got long wave. Yeah, it's got long wave. And look at all the bands here. These are where all the shortwave bands are broken down. And then over here is where the AM and FM and long wave bands are. This button here selects the band, either AM, FM, long wave, or shortwave. And then when you select shortwave, you use this button here, the slider, to select the subbands. It's got a bunch of subbands. Let me see if I can show it to you up close. Oh, got lots of reflection. Sorry for the reflection. Goes from about 5 megahertz to 25 megahertz. So it's very fine tuning because you got all those bands to choose from. And we're gonna turn it on here. Oh, it uses 4 AAA batteries. Right down there. Telescopic antenna. We'll extend that in a few minutes. There's a little chart of the frequencies. World map with time on it. This is the tuning knob. This is the on-off button right here. Over here we have the AC jack and the earbud. There's no antenna jack. So you have to, if you want to use an external antenna, you have to clip it onto the shortwave telescopic antenna. So let's turn this back on. I'm going to get it on a medium wave or AM band. And we'll go all the way down to the bottom of the dial. Either bottom or top, I can't see it. Okay, so let's start tuning it. And normally you need to face it this way.
With me right now. If you've never come to Christ before,
good audio.
Or if you want to just nail
it's also got tone control.
Now, would you pray this simple prayer with me?
Right down here.
Dear God, I know that I am a sinner.
I got it on all bass.
But yeah,
plenty of volume. I've always barely got the volume turned up, maybe a quarter. We're in my office. There's quite a bit of RF noise. It's coming through easily. About halfway through the band.
I mean, it's so easy to take.
Locks right in. And it's got a little indicator right here. It's off right now. It tells you you're locked in. Let me see if I can get one locked in. There it is. See it?
You've got 2 of the best
there we go.
corners in the game, like we talked about. Find the other matchup.
Tu voto va de...
Let's keep that uncommon favor.
That put us...
Lots of channels. Okay, and we get it close so I can see which band I want to go to next. Let's go to FM. And we're at the top of the band. Before I started at the bottom of the band for AM. Oh, I could put up the telescopic antenna. Oh, picking up RF noise. Let me get this antenna up without breaking it. Let's see, the antenna is, wow, it's pretty long. It's about 3 feet. Then we're picking up RF noise, of course, in my office.
Hallelujah, to go out and go down.
Good, good sound.
We are US 1035.
People like the raw diet.
Yeah, it's picking up a lot of stations. This is a nice radio.
Liver blood tests, diarrhea.
Try to get through all that music. It locks right in.
Walk out with a 28,000.
Smooth tuning. I'm going fast.
Change. More in.
Okay, that's the end of the band. Now we'll move it over to shortwave. I don't know if I'll pick up much shortwave because it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. No, I pick up noise. Whoa. Yeah, I'm picking up a lot of noise. Picking up a lot of noise from my office. Let's go up higher. Let's see, we want above 9 megahertz. 31 meter band, that's my best band to listen to international broadcast. This is not continuous, this is all the international broadcast bands. Yeah, this is a terrible time of day, terrible place in my office. Just not going to do anything. Yep, that's about the best we're going to do this time of day. So again, this is really a nice radio. I thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show to you. This is a beauty. It's pristine condition. I don't know what this would cost if you bought one used now, but I'm sure it's pretty expensive. Oh, Jeff put in his notes that he paid $50 for this on eBay. And it is very clean. Tuning is smooth. All the dials and everything, switches, sliders, everything worked perfect. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. It tells me I'm doing shows that you're interested in and not wasting your time. And have a great day. Bye-bye.